shut your mouth and run me like a river. Shut your mouth, baby, stand and deliver. Holy hands will make me a sinner.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing like a really full glam makeup. I don't usually wear this much makeup. This is a lot of makeup, but I saw this beautiful photo. I'll put it up here by, I think her name is Daisy Marquez or Marquez. She's an Instagrammer and she put up this amazing photo and I was just so inspired by it. It's actually coming off a lot more purple on camera, but it's really, really blue in person. And I used pretty affordable products today, so I'm pretty happy with how it turned out, except the fact that I'm wearing a lot of makeup. Alright guys, if you want to see how I created this look inspired by Daisy Marquez, just keep watching. The two palettes I want to try and use today, I only want to try and use two. I want to try and use the Mars palette by Colourpop. Has this beautiful blue shade in it that's like screaming to me, and this like yellow shade as well. And then of course I'm going to go in with my Juvia's Place Masquerade mini palette, because they just have this like amazing array of colours and the quality of Juvia's Place is phenomenal. So just to start our transition shade up, I'm going to take the shade Boozy, which is their matte brown in this guy. I'm just going to work that into my upper crease just to like start smoking it out. Colour quite high into the crease because I wanted that to be like really, really smoked out. For the actual crease area to really warm it up, I'm going to take a shade that people are going to yell at me for. It is the shade Sorbet, which is this orangey yellow mustard shade here, but it is actually a shimmer shade, so don't yell at me. I don't really know why there seems to be a rule where you can't use shimmer in the crease, but I'm going to today, so don't come at me. I also don't mind putting shimmer in the crease, because what I find when you put shimmer on a fluffy brush, the shimmer sort of dissipates when the more you blend it out, so you get like a satin finish on your eyeshadow anyway, so it's not even that bad. That sort of another crease shade. We're really building up the crease area so it's really smoky. This is going directly into the socket, this one. I'm going to take two shades from the Masquerade mini palette. I'm taking Makita and Zobo. God, I hope I'm not butchering those names, I'm so sorry. But it's a matte purple colour and a shimmery purple, but I want to mix those colours together. I'm going to take this brush here, which is a more pointed, tapered brush. This is the AOA Studio E136. And if you haven't tried AOA Studio brushes before, I definitely recommend it. It's from Miss Shop Miss A. These brushes are $1, or I bought a 20 pack for $20. It was such good value, and they haven't shed yet, so that's really, really good. I'm gonna have to keep going back into the Colourpop Sorbet shade and just sort of blend those two colours together so it's really, really well blended. 4 hours later and a lot of blending, I think we're at this point right now. One thing tutorials don't show you is oh, just blend this away, and then they cut to the blended like I just did. No, that they blend a lot in between, a lot. For my lid shade, my smoky lid shade, I'm going to take this beautiful cobalt blue shade. It's called El Rey from the Colourpop Mars palette, and I'm not sure how I'm going to apply this because I don't really know how to do anything but cut creases now, and I'm not doing a cut crease. Let me think about it. For this, I'm going to grab a blending brush. I'm going to grab a tapered blending brush, another one, and I'm going to go directly in the crease with this and then bring it down so I can smoke it out at the same time, and then eventually I'll just pat the colour on with my lid. I'm going back with that purple shade because I've gone too high up with the blue and I've covered the purple. So I'm going to blend the blue into the purple and just see how that goes. Just to clean up all the fallout, I'm going to use my Guardian Micellar water on a giant cotton round. A bit of break from the eyes just to complete the face. I'm going to be priming with my Australis Minutes Touch Primer because my skin is really, really dry at the moment. For foundation, I think I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Coverage, and mine is the shade Fair. My under eyes, and actually to conceal the rest of my face, the little blemishes, I'm just going to go with my Tarte Shape Tape in light neutral. just gonna set my under eyes really quickly because I do want to use a jelly highlighter. So I can't really set the full face, but I'm just gonna take my Master Fix by Maybelline setting powder and I'm just gonna set the creases under my eyes. Like absolutely crazy right now. It looks like I've just got punched in the eye, but to finish the eyeshadow part, I'm gonna take that blue cobalt shade from this guy again and I'm just gonna smoke that on the lower lash line even more. For my inner corner now, I'm just take that highlight shade from the Juvia's Place palette, just gonna dabble that in my inner corner. My lower waterline, I'm going to take this Colourpop cream gel liner in Crybaby. It's like this lilac purple shade. It's actually broken. But I thought it would just add a pop of like a lightness to this such a dark dramatic look. For highlights today, I'm going to use this really cool product from Designer Brands. It's a liquid jelly highlight. It's very, very cool. To bronze up my skin, I'm using my old trusty Body Shop Honey Bronzer. I'm opening it the wrong way. It's just one of those. Look how dirty my mirror is. It's so bad. But it's just a really good bronzer. Let's chuck some lashes off camera because there are too much work to put on camera. Really, really full, so I like that. Now to finish with the looks, I'm going to go with lips. Today I'll be lining with the Model's Own lip liner in Naked 151. It's just a really natural nude shade. And just for gloss on top, I'm using the Colourpop Ultra Glossy Lip in Lychee Me. It's this beautiful natural shade. Guys, this was today's tutorial inspired by the amazing artistry that is Daisy Marquez. She's just hit 1 million followers, which is awesome for her. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to subscribe, like, and then follow my Instagram. It's all linked in the bio, and I hope you have a fabulous day, night, or wherever you are. Bye.